Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ, and Collin's filming today, so sorry it's gonna be a little bumpy. Today we're replacing an air filter in a 2007 to 14 Avalanche Suburban Tahoe
Whatever.
Silverado Sierra. Alright, what you're gonna need is a Torx 25. You're gonna need it for 4 things, and then you're gonna need a flathead. Well, we might be able to get it in there without the flathead. We'll give it a try. But you might need a flathead. The flathead's gonna be for this band on your air filter housing. Your last one is right here. It's kind of a difficult place. You're gonna need a long screwdriver. That's why I'm using this Still tool is what this is. So if you have a Still product, this is what I'm using. It's still difficult even with this length this is. You might need to add it onto a, like a socket extension if you have something else. It says Still on it, right? It usually does, this one no. Okay, so there you go. Very simple process. Your mounts might be disconnected like one of mine is. It holds the housing in place. If you want to fix that, you'd have to get from under it. It's in the wheel well. The bolt mounts into. Mine came off when it got hit. It had to be repaired from a car accident. So let's see what got her. Slip it in. You should do this at least every 2 years. There's this filter gauge that tells you it's clear. Mine will never change. It always says it's green no matter how long we've had it. Here's my old one. It looks clean to you. It's not that dirty, but that's because we sprayed it out with an air hose before. But it's pretty dirty. See that?
It's like yellow.
That's clogged. That means air's not flowing through there as well as it could. Like I said, at least every 2 years. You know, they say like 15,000 miles or something like that. So you could do it every year. I'm just saying, at minimum, you want to do this every year, and it'll help your gas mileage a little. You may not realize it, but the restriction from it will cause you to lose some miles per gallon. Oh, it says right on the box, 12,000 miles, or 20,000 kilometers, kilometers. That's weird.
What's a kilometer?
Yeah, that's weird. So that's the video. I would start up and show you, but I mean, it's an air filter. It's not going to have an effect that you're going to see unless your thing's so clogged, like
blowing out dust.
Yeah, like filled with like hair and like a bird's nest or something. Then you have a problem where your car won't want to run. But like I said, every 2 years or so. I think it's been about exactly like 2 years right now. And it wasn't horribly dirty. If you're driving off-road, like gravel roads and stuff, dirt, you might want to do it more. Because the more dirt you're sucking in right here from the fender, comes in back here and sucks in right there, the more often you're going to need to replace. The dirtier it's going to be. Alright, buddy, so that's the video. Very simple, very easy. This is the FRAM we use, an 8755A. There's an extra guard. You can use a non-extra guard, tough guard, whatever. They make K&N.
Oh,
I don't know. Hope the video helps you. Did please like, subscribe, but it helps during these times. As always, I'm RJ.
See you today, each and every day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.